That's
so cool.
You say hi.
Oh, sorry.
That's Tita Peaches.
Yes, we're here. We got visit my Tita Peaches. Thank you. And for our
muna for you and
good.
Jen.
Oh, wow.
Oh, pati kami may gift.
Oh, nice.
I remember like
Oh,
like chocolate when you.
yes.
Wow.
Thank you.
It's from
So
Williams
we have-
Sonoma.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
Hot chocolate, rich hot chocolate, and marshmallows.
Ooh,
Very good.
okay.
Sorry, it's not for you, dear. Thank you, thank
Sorry
you.
na smash sa plate.
Sus, okay lang yan. Kakainin pa. Masarap pa rin yan.
Thank you so much.
That's for Sam.
Sammy, look at your
Oh
gift.
my gosh. All the kids have the biggest gifts. You want to open it, anak? Okay. So this is from... You brought it all the way from... Oh my gosh. All
Kasi
the
I
way
wasn't
from
sure if I could find anything here.
California. Wow. Oh, this is great. Wow. Look at that. This is great. Beautiful.
The gift receipt. In
Yeah.
case you guys had it.
Okay.
No, we
I
don't.
wasn't sure.
No. Oh, this is perfect.
Wow.
Wow. Ganda. Ganda.
You are going to be a very
Wow. Look at
smart cookie.
Oh, it's
that. This one.
It's learning time.
Wow.
A, B, C.
Very good.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Say
she's
thank you.
you.
Thank you very much. Thank you so
you're
much. This is great. This is great.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. I think I'll play with it first.
Yeah, Daddy plays with all her toys
There.
first.
So she's 6 weeks. And again, a big gift from Tita Peaches.
Oh, look, she's smiling.
Hey, there you go.
Oh, she's
There.
You like your gift, Sam?
Yes. Oh, we will see Tita Peaches again soon. Don't worry.
She's smiling.
Yes, happy girl.
Yay.
Are you gonna